Health and beauty is the asset of a lady, and spider wing is a threat to both. We have seen how to provide an external support for the spider wings to prevent it from increasing the size. I hope you have learned how to do crepe bandaging for supporting the spider wing area. Now we will see about the diet modifications. We need food which are rich in protein and vitamins in our diet, which help in repairing the blood vessels and improving the circulation. Now we'll see about the list of foods. Proteins can be either animal protein or plant protein. We get animal protein from chicken, beef, pork, whale, and dairy products such as milk, cheese, yogurt. Then fish and seafoods like lobster, oyster, crab, etc. And we get plant proteins from soy products, quinoa, beans, lentils, nuts and whole grains. So now we'll see about the vitamins. The vitamins which we needed are vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E and vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 or niacin. It lowers the level of cholesterol and aid in circulation. And the foods which are rich in vitamin B3 are cereals, oats and tuna. Then next is vitamin C. Vitamin C is having antioxidant property and it promotes collagen production and improves the blood circulation. Collagen is a connective tissue which gives healthy and sturdy structure for the blood vessels. And we know that we get vitamin C from citrus fruits, tomatoes, bell peppers, broccoli, etc. Next is vitamin E. Vitamin E improves the blood circulation. And we get vitamin E from vegetable oil, nuts, seeds, etc. And the next vitamin is vitamin K. Vitamin K is an anticoagulant. And the food which are rich in vitamin K are mustard seeds, broccoli, Brussels sprouts and pumpkin. Now we will see about 5 superfoods which prevent or delay the spider wings. They are pineapple, ginger, avocado, blueberries and asparagus. Pineapple, it's rich in bromelain, a digestive enzyme which dissolves fibrin and improves blood circulation. Fibrin is found in excess in spider veins and varicose veins. Ginger, it improves blood circulation and dissolves fibrin in blood vessels. Then avocado, it is rich in vitamin E and C. And we know that both these vitamins are potent vascular health vitamins. And it also contains glutathione which protect the capillaries and veins from the damage caused by oxidants. Next is blueberries. It is having antioxidant properties and it is having anthocyanin which improves blood circulation. And next is asparagus. It is rich in vitamin K and B1. It is having anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. And it prevents rupture of blood vessels, thus reducing the chance of spider wings. Now I'll teach you an easy salad recipe which you can consume daily for healthy veins. Now we will see the ingredients. Yogurt, then mayonnaise, next is lemon juice. We use these 3 together and make salad dressing. Okay, this is boiled chicken cubes, Next is boiled cauliflower, chopped and boiled cauliflower. These are capsicum which are chopped. Then these are boiled potatoes which are cubed. These are pineapples which are chopped. Then gooseberries. These are also chopped. And this is ginger which is chopped. Okay, we use pinch of salt. Okay, now we'll see the salad dressing preparation. You need to take a bowl, then add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Yogurt is rich in protein. Then you can add mayonnaise. Mayonnaise also rich in protein. So you add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Then you add lemon juice, which I took from 1 lemon. This is a citrus fruit and it is rich in vitamin C. You mix it together. Mix well. Okay, and you keep it aside. Now we take another big bowl. Now we are going to make our salad. So these are chicken boiled with pepper. If you want, you can go for plant proteins. And these are potatoes. Potatoes lowers blood pressure and cholesterol. And these are pineapples, and you know that pineapple is a superfood which is rich in bromelain, which dissolves fibrin. Okay, these are cauliflower which are boiled and chopped. Next, we are going to add capsicum. Capsicum also rich in vitamin C. Okay, next is our gooseberry, which you know that it is rich in vitamin C. Okay, now ginger. This is also a superfood. It dissolves fibrin and improves the circulation. So now we have added everything together. If you want to go for plant proteins, you can go for sprouted peas, lentils, etc. So now you add a pinch of salt. Mix it together. Mix well. Okay, now you take the salad dressing. Okay, and pour it into the salad, and then you mix it properly. Our salad is ready. A salad for healthy veins are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Dream of a healthy lady in yourself and work towards it being a mom.